Hello, John Bunn here with How to Film Weddings. Today in our Facebook group, I made a post that said, basically, show us your pricing page. If you're not inside of our Facebook group, we recommend searching How to Film Weddings, joining our Facebook group. There's a lot of things we do in there to help you get better. But I asked people to post a link to their pricing page, and I'm going to look at a few of these. Just to kind of give my 2 cents on them. We had a lot of people already comment, so I'm just going to kind of go through on these, and then we will kind of review and talk about a few of them together, and kind of some of the things that I would be looking for and things you're doing right. So hopefully this helps. Let's go right in. Andy Samuel from Tall Tale Films. Let's click over here. So this is his website. Okay, the first thing I noticed, it is bright, it is airy. Let's see here. I've got a some kind of pop-up. I don't think that's necessary. All right, so we like to be upfront to save everyone's time. If your main deciding factor is cheap, then we won't be a perfect fit. We love working with couples who value it's an investment. Okay, this is great. I mean, I don't know if this is just something that they can click on your website or not, but I would almost show a little bit more. This just feels like a lot of text, I guess so. I like this. I see that it's 1,795 pounds. I think that's what this one stands for. And this is the list of things that you get. I think it's all great. I just feel like this looks the same as this. There's no type of like differentiation that it's like this is what you're getting in your package. I like that it says both Alan and Andy will be there. The preparations, let's see, ceremony, speeches, cake, first dance. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. I don't know exactly your market, but it might just say up to so many hours of coverage, and then typically we do, from the bride getting dressed till your grand exit or something like that. This is going to be just a lot of details, and we always recommend kind of giving them enough to get them excited to contact you, and then you can give them a little bit more details. So I get it, like the first dance, the party, the guest busting some dance moves. You're showing a little personality. I like that. Fully licensed drone pilot plus aerial film, weather and CAA and venue. Like this is just a lot of extra details. So I would keep it down to, the details. And I'd also, I haven't been to your about page, but like if Alan and Andy are the people that are going to be there, I would probably show them somewhere on this page. Is our date available? All this detail is fine. It's just a lot. Is our date available? If you click that, it takes you to fill in everything. So that's a little confusing if you're asking me. That I thought that was going to be taking me to a page where I could see if the day was available, not contact me now. So I mean, I would make this more clear. But other than that, I mean, I think it looks fine. I like the background image, the detail of the logo. Everything looks really spot on. I would just say a little more potential personality if you're selling, the two of you being there, a little less detail. Just get to the main selling points, not the details. This is where I would want to do the sizzle, not the steak, if that makes sense. So you just want the things that sell, that get them interested to talk to you, to reach out to you. Then you can answer all these questions, It just seems like a lot. So good job on that. Andy, thank you for submitting that. All right, let's keep going. Ben Posel from Heart Media. Let's click on your site. All right, modern cinematography for adventurous couples. Is this okay, so this is under the weddings. Okay, so my initial thought is it's just a lot of white. I get this going down. That's great. Full day coverage, 2 videographers, teaser, highlight, feature, guest interviews. Yeah, this is all very clean. 2250 to 4000 is a big jump. And so I would almost look at either raising this one to 30 or 3000 or something. I don't know. It just seems like this to this is a big jump. And what am I getting different? 2 videographers instead of 1. You just might differentiate what they're getting that's so much more here. And I see that like you're getting, pre-ceremony interviews, drone coverage, all that good stuff. So, I mean, this is fine. I don't think it's terrible. I just feel like this right here is kind of a big jump. So that's what I get with that. It looks fine. On these, I might show, like, this is the latest wedding film, but like a teaser trailer, you might have one under there, a highlight under there, a feature if you're going to show them what that is. Download the packet. I hope I'm not downloading something. That didn't do anything. So anyway, and then the contact button, you click it, it takes you straight over. Yeah, I mean, I think this is great. My only suggestion, like I said, Ben, was that the pricing, just seeing if that's too big of a jump right there. So, all right, let's get rid of that. All right, Jessica Kratzer says, all right, prices within 35 miles of our location. I mean, this is the first thing I see. And I don't think this is something that's public on your website, but I would take this off the within 35 miles. I mean, it immediately tells people that like you're going to start nickeling and diming them. So, and then also I know that we're not doing like a website review, but this font is a little bit distracting. It feels, I don't know. It just doesn't feel, I don't know what the word is that I'm looking for. It's fine, but it's just like, I'm not thinking like, ooh, I want to spend money. So let's keep going down. The Seed 400 for one videographer for the ceremony, 3 cameras. This is clean. The Sprout 700, the Bud, the Flower, all the way up to 1400 additional hours. Like, this is all fine. Yeah, I mean, I think these are fine. Let's see here. This I would make a little bit smaller, the detail. Again, I don't know if this is something that you're sending to them or it's on your website, but I would almost make this a little easier. Like, you're just kind of bouncing from one side to the other, and then you're trying to like compare what's the difference. I get this, but it might be better if it's just like on top of each other or columns, just so like I'm immediately thinking, oh, it's only $400, and then I'm building up to like, oh wow, okay, it's $1,400. This is what that gets me. And I don't know what your market is. I haven't watched any of your films, but this seems like a very low amount. So if you're new and growing, that's great. But I would encourage you to continue to push to get better quality so you can charge more. But yeah, my main things are just like take off little nitpicky details. Check the bottom of the page for a full list of like, this is just a lot. I don't think this is necessary at all. I mean, I might be wrong based on where you're located, but I really don't think that that's necessary. And then all this detail, I would try, less is more, trying to just get them to contact you so you can give them those details. But yeah, I mean, it looks fine. I think it looks great. I wasn't dogging the font. I just think that like this whole sentence here, I just don't think it's necessary. So it's just like, if I'm a bride and coming to this page, all I'm seeing is like, okay, you care most about like the zip code more so than like telling them about you or like, you know, why you should be there to film their wedding. All I see is zip code and then kind of back and forth with these prices, trying to figure out, you know, anyway. And then all these things are fine, but like I would almost like it be able to click it and see a teaser film or something, or a love story film, or you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, less is more, but that's great. I hope that was helpful, Jessica. All right, John Martin Frassetto Films. Let's click here. All right, all your special moments captured. All videos, you said to scroll down, some quotes, some services. So this is clean. I like it. Highlight, featurette, feature film, 8, 10, all day, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7. This is very clean, 30 to 45. So like all packages include these things, this, and so like I would just try to differentiate. Let's see. The difference is the length in film and the time. $2,000 for 2 4K cameras, a drone, the music licensing. I would encourage you to like raise your prices. I haven't seen any of your work, but if you're shooting 4K, you're shooting a drone, I would be raising those prices as quick as I could. This all looks good though. I mean, I don't have too much, just kind of plain, you know, I'm not seeing you anywhere on these. I don't know who you are. I don't know, like all I'm seeing is a list of prices as opposed to like the reason why you love doing this. You know, I would try to maybe infuse a little bit more of your personality. Because this is just on your website, that's like, I don't see you at all. So all I'm doing if I'm a bride is like, okay, well, $2,000 gets me this, and putting you on a spreadsheet. So like, think about what it is that makes you different, not blend in. Yeah, but anyway, that was simple, quick. Let me keep going. Emily Johansson Russell. All right, let's see here. This will be the last one I do. This is really, really nice. I like this. I immediately just get a feeling of like personality. I love the font choices. I think this is great, Emily. Like, I'm not even down to the prices yet, and I want to book you. This is great. This is the PDF that you're sending, it looks like, to the couple once they've inquired for pricing. You give a little bit about you. I think, is this, like, I would almost have some of you. I don't know if this is you. See if that's you. I don't think it is, but I would almost have you on this page. Like, and if you don't have any photos of you, okay, there you are. Okay, let's see here. I think I would almost rather, Emily, have you on this page, but that's just me. I mean, this is fine that it's a couple, but like, because you're saying I want to help you, it's my goal. I just feel like it makes more sense to have a picture of you. This is great though, with your, you know, who you are, page, your adventured weights, basic, heirloom. So it looks like you have 2 packages. This is easy enough to kind of tell the difference. This is all very clean. I love all of it. I love the imagery. I love the fonts, the extras. I just like this feel. I like the light. Everything seems great. I like the FOMO edit. I see what's happening there. I think that might have been my idea. Good. This is great. I love this little line here, the FAQ. If you're watching this video, I mean, this is a great guide. This is great. Like, I think this is awesome. Emily, I would recommend, I mean, I know you have one photo of you here and it's kind of a professional headshot. I would almost recommend trying to get a few shots of you doing work, infusing that into this just so they can kind of see you at weddings with a couple with this moody vibe that you have. But I mean, it looks great. So good job. Kudos to you. You know, I didn't even really look at the pricing, but like $32.50. I mean, I feel like that's right on brand, and just to continue to push that up as you get better. But that looks great. So I hope that's helpful to you guys out there. If you could like this video, share the video with somebody that might need it, that's either a wedding videographer or photographer even. And if you haven't checked out howtofilmweddings.com, we have a digital template shop that I just have to throw a plug in for because it is awesome. We've got all kinds of templates in there for you to check out. Email templates, consultation guides, all kinds of great things. Be sure to check out howtofilmweddings.com. And until next time, we'll see you.